been all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video I woke up early because I wanted to do a maintenance on this sew-in. It's been about a month since I've had this hair in, and so I'm ready to wash it from just oiling my scalp. It's a bit oily, and you know, in the last video I did crinkles, so I need to wash it so it can get back to its natural state. Right now I'm going in with a temporary rinse. This is just to darken up my hair line and my leave out. So that's what I'm doing here. Again, it's a temporary rinse, so it doesn't have any of those harmful chemicals. It's something that you can use on your hair without worrying about your hair falling out or losing any hair from ammonias from the dye. So never ever professionally dyed my hair because I just don't trust it. So here I'm just going to make sure I get it all in, and I'm going to leave this on my hair for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. Do some things around the house, and then I'll rinse it out. Proceed to washing my hair, and I also use a silicone on the actual sew-in hair because I needed to like rebuild the hair because I've used this hair multiple times, and I think once I'm done with this sew-in, I'm done with this hair. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned to the end to see how it turned out. And I will be doing some skincare as well in this video.
Yes, I've been used to being used like this. Ain't no difference on me more than lies. It's my thoughts, raising rules up for protection over my moves, past possessions, talking about my stand on these to the 6.7, handing out points up. My dad on me, mother, feel better. Might get tipped right in my business. Might get tipped, sharing my vision. Might as well tell if this ain't the word conversation. Bread, do it, go work. All that's for real is forever. Moments stolen taste better.
I've been riding through this cold world. Thought you had another one, caught up with old girl. I feel like it's over. Something's calling to get closer. No matter touch, I need a love, always a mile away. Yeah, one step, we're going right away. I feel like it's over. Something calling to get
No
closer.
more racing, prices must let them trust me too much. Can't hide from prices to what we done. They lie. Can't trust nobody you ain't been broke with. Cause I break my focus, bitch. I'm Obi-Wan, you. Thought it amazing. Thought it'd be easy to get myself on. I need anybody face. Now I'm running out of taste since I burned it with you. Can't lose myself, here we go, I wanna say. I don't think myself need you, honesty, or love or work better with confidence. Feelings don't need discussion, spend my life discovering new shit.
I've been riding through this cold world. Thought you had another one, caught up with old girl. I feel like
so this is it. The hair's been washed. My leave out's been rinsed. It's not a permanent color, it's a temporary color, and it doesn't cover grays because I can tell you my grays are right here. And I don't have many, but they're not going anywhere. The little ones that I do have, I think the reason I don't have grays like that is because I have a stress. I like to keep my stress levels down, and then I take a whole bunch of vitamins as well. But I love the way the hair turned out. I'm about to put on some sunscreen, and I'll do that here with you guys. And then that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to buy some really good hair. I've been like playing with this hair for a while. I think I've used this hair multiple times, and I'm ready to like put this in the garbage once I'm done. I think I've fried it enough, and I really want to invest in some like really good virgin hair for my next install. But I don't think I'm going to go from this to another install. I'm not sure. I might wear my hair a little bit, let it breathe, and then go into another install. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. There's a lot going on with that sunscreen.